think the biggest innovations in U.S. history came from Silicon Valley or New York City? Think again. Hidden in tiny towns across America, small companies quietly sparked revolutions, from war victories to everyday conveniences you can't live without. Today, we uncover 3 small-town companies that changed the course of history, and you've probably never heard of them. First up, Remington Arms in Ilion, New York. Founded in 1816, this small-town gun manufacturer didn't just make hunting rifles. They armed soldiers in every major American conflict, including both world wars. The company's innovations in mass production helped shape modern industry. Without Remington, both the battlefield and the assembly line might look very different today. Next, Cessna Aircraft in Wichita, Kansas. You might think only major aviation hubs matter, but this tiny company from the heart of America helped make private and commercial flight accessible to millions. Their small planes trained World War II pilots, revolutionized crop dusting, and made flying a reality for everyday Americans. Wichita wasn't just a dot on the map, it became the air capital of the world. Finally, Corning Glassworks in Corning, New York. This small-town glassmaker invented heat-resistant glass that powered everything from household ovens to NASA's space shuttles. A company most people only associate with Windows quietly became a backbone of both American industry and space exploration. So next time you pass through a small town, remember, history isn't only made in big cities. Sometimes it's quietly forged in factories, workshops, and towns that most maps overlook, but whose impact is felt nationwide. Which small-town company do you think deserves more credit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more hidden history.